A taxi from the hotel.
Need a taxi from the hotel?
Yes, I need one, please.
Where do you want to go?
To the airport, please.
Which airport are you going to?
Heathrow Airport, I think.
Okay, that is a longer ride.
How much does it cost?
Around 40 pounds, maybe more.
Oh, that is little expensive.
Yes, but it is a comfortable ride.
Okay, I still need the taxi.
Do you want me to call one?
Yes, please call one for me.
It will arrive in 10 minutes.
Do I pay inside the taxi?
Yes, you pay the driver later.
Do I pay with my card?
Yes, most taxis accept cards now.
Good. I do not have cash.
Do you have a lot luggage?
Yes, 2 bags and 1 suitcase.
The driver will help you load them.
Should I give a tip also?
You can, but it is not required.
Okay, I give small tip then.
Your taxi is waiting outside now.
Oh, that was very quick.
Have a safe trip to airport.
Thank you for your kind help.
No problem. Enjoy your ride.
Buying a gift.
Looking for a gift today?
Yes, I need a small gift.
Who is the gift for?
For my friend, Sarah.
Is it for a special day?
Yes, her birthday is tomorrow.
That's nice. What's she like?
She likes simple and pretty things.
We have candles and small boxes.
Can I see those candles, please?
Yes, they smell very nice.
Oh, this one smells really good.
That is lavender, very popular here.
How much is this candle?
It is 10 pounds only.
Okay, that is not too expensive.
Do you want gift wrapping also?
Yes, can you wrap it nicely?
Of course, we have pretty paper.
Do I pay before wrapping?
Yes, please pay at the counter.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, card payment is fine here.
Good. I do not have cash.
Do you want a small card too?
Oh, yes, I need a card.
You can write a short message.
I write, Happy birthday, Sarah?
Yes, that is simple and sweet.
Okay. I hope she likes it.
I think she will love it.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Enjoy the party.
Yes, I am little excited now.
Looking for the right jacket.
Looking for a jacket today?
Yes, I need a warm jacket.
Is it for winter or rain?
For winter, very cold weather.
We have thick jackets over here.
Can I see the black one?
Yes, this one is very popular.
Is it very warm inside?
Yes, it has soft lining inside.
Oh, that feels really nice.
Do you want to try it?
Yes, I try medium size, please.
Here you go. Try it here.
It is little tight here.
Maybe large size is better for you.
Okay, I will try large one.
Here is the large size.
Oh, this feels more comfortable.
Yes, it looks good on you.
How much is this jacket?
It is 60 pounds today.
Oh, that is a bit expensive.
There is a small discount today.
Really? How much discount?
10% off for this jacket.
Okay, that sounds better now.
Do you like this color?
Yes, black is easy to wear.
We also have blue and gray.
No, I like black more.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, card payment is accepted here.
Good. I do not carry cash.
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, I cannot carry like this.
I will pack it for you.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Stay warm outside.
Yes, I need it very much.
Opening a bank account.
How can I help you today?
I want open a bank account.
Sure, we can help you today.
Thank you. I am little confused.
That is okay. I explain simply.
Yes, please explain to me.
Do you live in this city?
Yes, I live near this area.
Great. Do you have your ID?
Yes, I have my passport here.
Good. We also need your address.
I have bill with address.
That is perfect. We can use it.
What type of account is best?
Basic account is good to start.
Okay, I want basic account.
Do you want a debit card?
Yes, I need card for payments.
You will get card in few days.
Can I use mobile banking also?
Yes, we have a mobile app.
Good, I like using my phone.
You can check balance anytime there.
Is there any monthly fee?
No, basic account has no fee.
Oh, that is very good.
Do you want online statements?
Yes, I prefer online statements.
Okay, I will set it for you.
How long to open account?
It takes about 15 minutes.
That is fast. I am happy.
Please sign here and here.
Okay, I sign now.
Your account is ready now.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anything else today?
No, that is all for now. The bus stop.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I wait for bus here.
Which bus do you need today?
Bus to city center, please.
You need bus number 42.
Does it stop here or there?
It stops right here. No worry.
Oh, that is good for me.
The bus comes every 10 minutes.
How much is the ticket price?
It is £2 for one ride.
Okay, that is not expensive.
You can pay by card also.
Do I pay on the bus?
Yes, you pay when you enter.
Should I tell the driver stop?
Yes, press button before your stop.
Oh, there is a button inside?
Yes, near the seats and doors.
How do I know my stop?
Listen to the stop announcements.
I am scared I miss my stop.
You can ask driver for help.
Okay, I will ask him then.
Where exactly do you need go?
Near the big shopping mall.
That is Market Street stop.
How long does it take there?
About 15 minutes, not too long.
Good, I am not late now.
The bus is coming now. Look.
Oh, yes, I see it coming.
Get ready. It stops very quickly.
Okay, I am ready now.
Have a nice trip to city center.
Thank you for your help today. A windy day at the park.
It is very windy today, right?
Yes, the wind is very strong.
Did you still want to walk?
Yes, I like fresh air.
Hold your jacket. It may fly.
Oh, my hat almost flew away.
Yes, hold it tight on head.
My hands are very cold now.
Do you have gloves with you?
No, I forgot them at home.
We can walk near the trees.
Is it less windy there?
Yes, Trees block some of wind.
Good. I feel better there.
Watch the leaves. They fly fast.
Oh, they move very quickly.
The sky looks a bit gray.
Do you think it will rain?
Maybe, but not very heavy rain.
I do not have an umbrella.
That is okay. We go back soon.
Yes, that is good idea.
Do you come here often?
Not much, only on weekends.
Do you like parks like this?
Yes, it is calm and green.
Even on windy, cold days?
um, maybe not like today.
Yes, today is little too much.
My eyes feel dry from wind.
Try to face away from wind.
Oh, that helps a little bit.
There is a cafe near the exit.
Oh, hot tea sounds perfect.
Yes, let's go get some tea.
Thank you. I really need that. Caught in the rain.
Oh no, it is raining suddenly.
Yes, I did not expect this.
Do you have an umbrella with you?
No, I forgot it at home.
Let's stand under this shop roof.
Yes, good idea. I am wet.
The rain is getting heavier now.
Oh, my shirt is already wet.
You can shake water off jacket.
I look like a wet dog.
Yes, a very funny wet dog.
How long do you think rain?
Maybe 10 or 15 minutes only?
I need to go home soon.
We can wait a little here.
My shoes are full of water.
Try to lift your feet up.
That feels a bit silly.
Rain in UK changes very fast.
Do you often get rain like this?
Yes, we always carry umbrellas here.
I should buy one today.
That is a very good idea.
I hope bus still comes normally.
Yes, buses run even in rain.
Good. I don't want more walking.
Look, rain is becoming lighter now.
Oh yes, I can see that.
We can leave in few minutes.
Finally, I'm not too wet.
Next time, check weather first.
Yes, lesson learned today. Asking for a day off at the office.
Are you requesting a day off?
Yes, I need a day off.
When do you need it?
Next Monday, if possible, please.
What is the reason for leave?
I am feeling little unwell today.
Do you need medical rest?
Maybe. I think one full day.
Okay. Have you informed your manager?
Not yet. I wanted to ask first.
That is correct office procedure here.
Do I need any form?
Yes, fill the leave application form.
Where can I get that form?
You can download from the HR portal.
Okay, I will submit it today.
Your manager must approve it first.
I hope it gets approved quickly.
Usually, approvals are done fast.
Can I check status online later?
Yes, check on the HR system.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
Do you have any pending tasks?
Yes, I will complete them today.
Good. Finish before leaving office.
Should I tell team members also?
Yes, inform your team on email.
Okay, I will send email now.
Do you feel better already?
A little, but still tired.
Then rest properly tomorrow at home.
Thank you. That sounds good.
Anything else you need help with?
No, I think that is all.
Okay, submit form before noon.
I will do it right now.
Good. Take care of yourself.
Thanks. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I will rest properly tomorrow.
Remember to rest and drink water.
Yes, I will take care properly.
See you back in office soon.
Yes, I will return next week. The English study plan.
Do you need an English study plan?
Yes, I don't know where to start.
Okay, we make a simple routine.
I feel English is very hard.
That's normal. We go step by step.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
How many hours can you study?
Maybe 1 hour daily?
That is perfect for beginners.
What should I do first?
Start with listening and speaking.
My speaking is very weak.
That's fine. Practice slowly every day.
I am scared to speak English.
Don't worry, mistakes are normal.
Okay, I will try more.
Watch English videos for 10 minutes.
Every day or sometimes?
Every day, even short time helps.
What about grammar learning?
Do grammar 3 days a week.
Grammar books are difficult for me.
Use simple beginner exercises only.
Okay, I can try that.
Learn 5 new words daily.
Only 5, not more?
Yes, small steps are better.
That sounds easier for me.
Practice speaking in front of mirror.
That feels little strange.
It helps your confidence a lot.
When will I improve?
You will see change in 1 month.
Really? That is good motivation.
Stay consistent every single day.
I hope I don't stop.
You can do it step by step.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Keep practicing daily.
I will start from today. The online fitness class.
Welcome to today's fitness class.
Hi, I am new here.
That's okay, we start slowly today.
I'm not very fit, honestly.
No problem, just follow simple moves.
Okay, I will try my best.
First, we do warm-up exercises.
Warm up, like stretching the body?
Yes, stretch your arms and legs.
Like this. I do it right?
Yes, perfect. Keep breathing slowly.
I feel a bit tired already.
That is normal, don't worry.
How long is this class?
Only 30 minutes, very short.
Oh, good. I can manage that.
Now we do light cardio.
Cardio means fast movement?
Yes, but keep it gentle today.
My heart is beating fast.
That means your body is working.
Okay, I will not stop.
Drink some water if needed.
Can I take small breaks?
Yes, take breaks anytime you want.
That makes me feel better.
Now we do simple squats.
Squats? Like sitting and standing?
Yes, exactly. You got it right.
Okay, I feel like exercise now.
You are doing very well.
Really? I am doing okay?
Yes, your form is improving.
That motivates me a lot.
Keep your back straight always.
I will try to remember that.
Last exercise, slow breathing now.
Finally, I feel relaxed now.
Great job. Class is finished.
Thank you. I enjoyed this.
See you in next session.
Yes, I will join again.